Now CPDM say there's no trouble there for that party country people then. Human the way they make strike for Bonaberi day for front divisional officer for front divisional office for the office sous chef de for Bonaberi. It happened with them. We see today they march safe gonna for Nasiri Paul BI on office for Bonanjo. They say they must hear their voice country for them and they must hear their cry. We tell now about accidents also for Bonaberi day after Nestle and Cartier Routier for this so country people. What tell again about this watering? We want finish people them for Peka with day for Valley Saint Thomas where this will give na pointage for boys them for that quarter country people them. INGS student for your own the way na final years to the way they graduate this year. They meet the Kili dump Troy for camp for corner house for university quarter day place where they call them say Bonamusa din. Then we remain for your own they talk about Konengi where the population for that side them vex match yesterday for Sika Latu. It won't be 3 weeks to not get light country people them wrote for Tombel now wonderful palava for that side and then they talk about them so Limbola, yes, population for Limbola Day, wonderful kind of situation as soon as we talk here, they talk about them for this issue them. Country people that throwing a big salute. This one na page in news. Equinox television with me, Eze Kuleku Ibat, chairman for SDF. Ni John Fundi, other people they make about Douala 1, Douala 2, Douala Ngribu for listing for SDF so country people then. Chairman for SDF don't decide this so they go organize again primary election then. Now tomorrow. Yes, before the one send list for for national election day and they organize the primary election again not only for Fundong and for Kumna from Biami. So for Fundong and for Kumbiami, this so country people them now all that the other one and two they don't correct so country people them Douala what they can pay the list they hope for this so country people are doing a big salute. It's one pigeon news Equinox television with me as Ekuleku. A big salute again, country people. They make us start with same story for today, and the same story for today is big weighty country people. Them na time where elephant don't lean on top of tree, where the service no be all tree then strong. Same story for today, na time where elephant don't lean on top of tree, where the service no be all tree then strong. Thank you plenty for this one, divine original Kumba Mabanda picking for that side. Me kunak turina for na talk suiti. CPJ woman and vex for that side for Bonaberi yesterday and even today so they don't match go for senior divisional officer. He plays Nasri Paul Bia for Bonanjo Day. Before the one go today for sharp morning time, they first start now yesterday for Bonaberi. They wait to happen for the Unasian. And they start now for front sous-prefecture for Douala 4. Yes, for front DOE office, for place where they call and say this so Douala 4 day. Even people them foresee, now for back this woman, Madame Ikoko. Now for a back we put the flop so country people will talk about them, say this so about 50. Say they don't want them. They don't want this woman. They call and for that say this woman, Madame Gesson. Tell us when Madame Gesson with 10 million euros for buy in place them for that side. Mbano, they no go green because they no sabi for that side make it can be their parliamentarian. Tell us so no be choice for the people them for that side to contribute them and say they no want them at all. As we not keep them for this camp palaver them so and so for the wonderful kind of situation we can't happen now. When they talk about and they explain all the thing the way it did happen for the place so country people them. Kind thing way take place and kind situation we happen for Douala for this for front DOE office for Bona Samadi. We talk about the situation as soon as get down for this email. So 18 the happen for this country people waiting take place for place where they call and say Bona Samawi Douala for woman them for OF they no want the woman they put on for they as candidate as we now Madam Gesson Cecile for the country. People them. We ask one woman make it tell we now wait to be the problem. Una hear thing we it talk for microphone for Zakaria. Una hear.
For legislative, for municipality, all to the work are fine. But for legislative, for deputy, we not one person don't put them, but we hate because they don't know you. You don't know nothing. You don't know for Barbary. You don't feel election Barbary paying time. We don't know why this time they will choose so we don't want it. If they want now way if you represent it, when they ask we president for section, you go do one woman where you go fit represent you. You don't know how to say represent election. You know they represent West. We don't know enough place for here. You don't have a fair election we are here. If they put it for here, we will face. So what's my change up? I told them for here, the morning time, we are here for super prefecture. But we can't come up with the yes. We don't want to put the person they put up. We don't know if the software election anytime. We don't know if we election we are here. I told them for here that.
For Betwa Trouble Day, for Kribi 2 Trouble Day, Limbe and Boya Trouble Day cyber site, Douala 3, Douala 2, even Douala 5 from Afro, it plays Trouble Day. And then for whom they don't talk, say, if the 3 list, they try to stop anyone list, we don't go for Yaoundé out of the 3, they go vote in the opposition for that side. For whom mention division, this country people at the same time now. I want to go talk about again tomorrow. SCF, their chairman, John Fungi, he don't talk for Bamen that they country people them. So this will all primaries them. They don't accept them. Now, only one way they go change them, where they will do them again. Now primaries for Kumdiami and the one for Fundong, that 2 plays now. All that for the play with this Mago business, be they plenty. We come back for Douala, remain for Bonaberi talk security accident for after Nestlé dinner for Entre routier for that side to country people in nation. Maybe there 3 people them on top motorcycle, they come out Bonaberi, they go that side for Bekoko. They run past Mbimbim, they can't overtake Ngongoro, one go to 3rd position, so other Ngongoro come up for there before. That other Ngongoro will come up for there before, so country people them. They do how for that side, they can't care issue and can't pull out for them now. Jam them, look up. Now the motorcycle this way is cut, so I mean motorcycle they beyond repairs way. They like now even jam them, so even fire come out for this so country people them. Catch and burn some places. Now one of the person that will this now able self. Yes, now the Ngongoro this way jam them. So the motor carry 2 other they carry the 2 other passengers for the motorcycle go down for hospital. One last died now for hospital day. So as they get time, we talk about them. So the Ngongoro drag after they don't jam them, it drag themselves for about 50 meters before it go turn up for a different place. So scatter the dead body, they turn small like round ball for the issue for place where they call them. See this so after Nestlé for Entre quartier routier for place where they see plenty accidents. It don't happen for them now. As soon as they try for Canada now, so go down for police post for 15th this country. People after one face put the dead body for back motor where they take and go down for place where they call and so this so mortuary for hospital. We ask some for yes eyewitness. We see which will happen for that side. Madam Senge, make it tell which way can take place. Una yet we talk.
Yes, Payan and Nestlé. Son camion will get long plateau. Comment dans ça pour le coco, Kamba, pour Carrefour, pour passer pour Bonabel. Parce qu'il y a des idées. Dans mon top, il carry 2 people on top. And that became the go back. But this is some system and film. That became the command answer for Bonabel. If you go now for the coco, camion comment pour ça pour le coco, il car up for Bonabel. La 3e position. That camion, that Benskiner don't see that camion. You want to pass the camion where another one come before you take it fast. And that camion will take it train like 50 meters before it can grant. This camion, you don't train that motor.
Now the motor they say for up this one.
Na Benskiner that body be on top of it. Sometimes you don't take that one like if you did a film. That man don't turn a small balance so. You don't check out, you don't talk and go for hospital. Oh, you don't check out. Someday the way he had it now, small step. So small time, I don't know what I say of this one. But you root every day, you need Jordan for you. Every day they talk that palabra Jordan. You take a step for the training like Senkame. So one can choose them for you. They talk that palabra Jordan for Nestlé. Tous les 3 mois people they die, tous les 3 mois.
This one now, no be na wrote them the accident, me na play with Dodan not supposed to be there, you know the whole water at all. Now for Pika which they contribute, come back for them to see how they saw some put their trouble, na other one their own breath for they as they put with you, they take and do na pointers for they contribute nation. As in for Pika which too. They call them serious na Valley Saint Thomas. This very place 2 accidents they don't happen for the inside 1 week. When I'm going to go and miss and jump place them for that side to country people there. And about after all this one now what rain fall past mark. Fall past mark to the house today. So flop county, yes, the river county, that means water can say county for the flop to take overflow bounds. Now, for past day, they must carry you on top head. Carry person on top head now or on top shoulder, even neck too. Now desa. 200 francs you pay the cross you for even be so you wet your trouser, wet your shoes, wet all things up for that side. The other one be the taxi push. On a push taxi the corner for that side. And they carry put them in so 200 for that side. Cross some and can live and pay it is supposed for they so country the people as a matter country place with them. We go now for Yaoundé for place where they call and see for Basura na for Bonamoussadi quarter for student them with some student for ENGS same it die for the way we don't finish school you get for different a project this year now it go start work so contribute the Kili can't run for corner ministry now is wonderful matter contribute them look to we can happen for them yes that we do open of Siam police into the kind of see which will happen yes contribute them. For this issue now, all managers say, hell the cry. The student when they call it Gislaine. Kawu Gislaine will come up for that side day for Yagua. It don't be when I'm student for ENGS. ENGS na place where they call and say they teach where they put they come up for they can be sports teacher them for school and high school and even university contributing. Wonderful palavas in the sense where all managers cry for the for which we really can take place. Then they open and now that Kawu, yes, something is Gislaine. We on the Asanda side for Yagwa in 1982. 31-year-old speaking. Now I room this so they killing after that now they call the family member now so they can see which way it really take place so for the they meet up for skin, bobolo and beans where they put them for a corner. Eskin I be buy am, eskin at the chop by family say they didn't chop up or physical issue them. Say they surely killing for different place before they come. Dumpy, Troy now for corner ministry when I cité de l'entente for that side for but na Musati from where kill this to contribute play student and they plenty and I play with these things the Apple police don't open enquête now for this so. Women for Yaoundé talk city so tourists now as a small Latin don't come back, but population we don't come out since yesterday. Vex before they bring back Latin for Kondengide Unasian. As a population we come out vex so vex pass mark contribute them. Vex who te do different thing. Yes, on a tous droit à la lumière. So they only for 3 weeks they go now the one put fire for born ISONL their office. Place where they call for this city so na Kondengide. So there won't be 3 weeks to not get light, chop don't spoil all inside fridge. They drink that a non-glassy for this to contribute. All things don't spoil for this junk Africa pass mark. As soon as the year they talk about them. Do all things for the so now the delegate, regional delegate for this city so they will bring the light. That means they for bring the light. Yes, they for bring light for the place, then they wait 2 to 3 weeks. They don't cut lottery. A bit 3 weeks for this before they bring light country people then now they say they will bring light. That means they must wait to people they make grave movement before they can give light for this matter so contributing. Lumtombel Road Nangrubu for this divisional officer for Tombel Day, yes Oga Dio for Tombel Day so prefer do it now for that side we can 110 call population may they can work if at all Madam Gasawi and Madam Mayor for the business for chief election for that side make it come back for office contribution. Look at as in the population come with bucket other one they carry Namukuta back. Ghana must go for carry ground with them. You can fix route. When I deal for Tombe don't call and say Master Abek una can't help me, you don't bat. Say Abek una can't help me, you don't bat for this contribute. And they talk about the inside this issue never toxicity. All this motive they come up carry lock of wood campus today. Maybe super prefect come now for this so inside the matter so maybe do all things turn for us they contribute. Then GO2 to come for this. It don't bat for that level for where we be forced to call the boys and make them come out now, try for LAP, make they do all things, say this may try for even put small ground on top the road, make it be away if it be for this so because council they do nothing at all for that side on top the road this country people the wonderful countries will put is doing a community labor on top road to travel fixer. Community labor too like the one we happen for Limbola. I say Limbola e uruni omaja. For when they talk to this so back and tell Okalia below the ground, chief land to get plot for the. There is no need the all them finish and all quarter. Ground when come na bring them back for the population for the village. Now they come back again, say they be Isakaba, Dio, Senior Dio, Governor, instead of matter the woman for Prime Minister for Konengi. Tifa offer us in this. Then when they put them vex come up for the staff for talk about it, say wait it really happen. still don't tire all these things. So the population now, she don't say that to say, now caterpillar get for now for can't finish and all the pattern for this so before they take their land. Where they so don't even come out, they go put it, you can see them. So this thing we call and say this pole, concrete pole, the way they build them for they for try for do thing for cut barrier for they and then start for build their house on a company 1 million for they go now through all for down, go now stroke for through all for down this so country people then say this matters na get up. Must day over chicken, one finish man over poulet. So country they talk about and they push and all from for down see this so this matters no go hold me they can't finish with them. They either they give them their land back or they kill them, finish quarter, lock them off for prison, or they even kill them and kill them, go prison small. Then they leave their land back for limbo. Like they say even if they know plenty and they no get Kamambro, then for they go fight for their right in so country people as things can happen. Place where they call them for that side see this so na limbo village for southwest this so country people them can way and can things away take place so all this issue them for the country people them. We'll surely come back for this one for weekend we'll debate, we'll see if it even get one person from that limbo make can talk what will happen for you know that people's channel will talk all thing for you so country people them better they call luck with all we country people for this matter. So thank you plenty. Thank you Joel Essenge for the fidelity today for corner you. Yes various for technical side today clear make we face shine country people there's talk about them. Thank all people the way they collaborate with for this one so country people them. If you want to see my back, Bele, it for France to go. Bye bye.